Introduction. Conversation 1.
Hello, are you a new student?
Yes, I am. Today is my first day.
Well, welcome. My name is Tony.
Hi, Tony. I'm Beth.
Are you new in town?
Yes, I'm from New York.
Wow, the big city.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I am.
That is so cool. Well, it is nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hey, Beth, how was your first day?
It is really good. This school is great.
How are your classes?
They are fun. My teachers are so nice.
Who are your teachers?
My English teacher is Mr. Wang.
Oh, he is really nice.
Yes, he is. My Spanish teacher is Mrs. Garcia.
Oh, she is really nice too.
Yes, her class is a lot of fun.
Conversation 3.
What is your favorite class?
Spanish. I love it. My Spanish is not very good though. I am just a beginner.
Well, Spanish is my first language. My name is Tony, short for Antonio.
Really? That is so cool.
Yeah, my dad is from Mexico, and my mom is from Costa Rica.
Wow, you are so lucky.
Yeah, Spanish is easy for me, so I can help you if you like.
I'd like that. Thank you. Conversation 4. Tony, where is the computer lab?
It's just down the hall.
My Spanish class is there tomorrow.
Oh, when is the class?
It's at 6, after school.
Why isn't the class online?
It is, but I'm still new in town, so I don't have internet at home yet.
Oh, I see. Well, good luck with the class.
Thanks. I'm excited for it. I think online classes are fun.
I think so too.
Conversation 1.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am very hot.
Is the air conditioning on?
No, it is off.
Can I turn it on?
Yes, please do. And can you turn on the radio too?
Of course. Is jazz music all right?
Yes, I love jazz music. Conversation 2.
Is your house big?
Yes, it is pretty big.
Is it new?
No, it is very old.
Is it nice?
Not really. It is cold in winter.
Oh no, that's not good.
Conversation 3.
I like your shoes. Are they new?
Yes, they are.
Are they expensive?
No, they are very cheap.
Are they comfortable?
Yes, they are. Very comfortable.
Are they from the discount shoe shop?
Yes. How did you guess? Conversation 4.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, let's get some.
Is the pizza shop still open?
Yes, it is open until 10.
What time is it now?
8. It's open for 2 more hours.
Great. I'm starving. Thanks for watching today's lesson.
We hope these conversations help you practice real English.
Keep practicing a little every day.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you in the next video.